Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today when we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today video title is guys hotspot setting guys, how to use mobile hotspot full setting guys. Today friends I am going to show you guys how to turn on mobile hotspot, how to use in Infinix phone. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friend, first open your phone setting to on your mobile hotspot. So after phone setting friends, you can see your hotspot setting is here. So guys, we will click here friends, you can see Wi-Fi hotspot. So friends, click here your personal hotspot mean guys mobile hotspot guys, you can on from here. After on guys, you can see your hotspot setting. So I will click on hotspot setting. First friends, you can check your hotspot name. You want to change, so friends you can change your hotspot name also. Password, hotspot password guys you want to view, so you can view, and guys you want to change your hotspot password, so you can change, and guys click on save hotspot setting, tap here your password, and guys your device name will change. Second friends, you can see your share hotspot. Friends, you want to share your hotspot your Infinix phone, so friends you can share from here guys. One time data limit guys you can on from here. Data limit guys you can set your custom data limit like 500 MB, 200 MB, GB and MB guys you can set from here, and OK option. As you can see turn off hotspot automatically guys, you can on and you can off from here. So like that guys, we can use guys our hotspot setting in Infinix phone device. Friends, you can check your password, you want to change, so you can change. You want to share your mobile hotspot, you want to share Wi-Fi and guys your mobile network, so you can share from here. Guys, second device guys, you will have to scan this QR code and you can share your hotspot like so. Last we will off it. So like that guys, we can use guys Wi-Fi hotspot means mobile hotspot setting in Infinix phone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. I hope friends you understood how to on and use mobile hotspot in Infinix phone. So bye guys.